The new Snapdragon 8 Gen 5's gaming performance, I've already figured it out for you all. Using the first OnePlus Ace 6T, I intensely gamed for 5 straight days. I can now draw a conclusion. It's not the minor 8's Gen 4 iteration rumored online. Its real-time performance far surpasses the 8's mid-range status. It definitely achieves flagship performance. It's important to know it's from the same lineage as this year's Snapdragon 8 Gen 2, at the same price point, and uses the 3rd Gen 3 NIM process. A mid-range chip would definitely not get this kind of treatment. Its Antutu score of 3.56 million can beat the Snapdragon 8E. In the more authoritative Geekbench scores, its single-core performance closely follows the 8E, while multi-core surpasses it.
So her benchmark data places it between Snapdragon 8E and the 5th Gen Snapdragon 8 Pro. Next, my 5-day intensive gaming test. They gave it 165 frames, esports 3-star, and a deep peak gaming kernel.
The first to adapt to Triangle Chase my tests show. In Beacon Fire Zone or All Out Battlefield, it's infinite max frames. 165 frames lets you spot enemies earlier, shoot a step faster. Without 165 frames, I wouldn't dare talk about esports. Also, the next versions... The OnePlus Ace 6T will prioritize 140 FPS in honor of kings. I've already tested it for you. You'll easily get full frames wirelessly. After my tests, I can confidently say its gaming performance is almost identical to the Snapdragon 8T. The biggest highlight, its classic battery capacity directly hit 8000 plus mAh. I used 2 phones for Dubao AI to play Idiom Solitaire. After 20 minutes, phone A dropped 4%, while OnePlus only dropped 1%. It also supports wired reverse charging, so it can be a power bank for friends in a pinch. The design is still minimalist and the color is quite appealing, plus the metal frame and flat screen design perfectly fit a gaming phone's role. And there's also reverse charging, 3D fingerprint unlock, all peripheral specs are maxed out. OnePlus Ace 6T, I'd say its performance is pro, battery life max. My initial experience shows it's definitely flagship level. Qualcomm's even holding a separate launch for it on the 26th. Besides performance, what other secrets could there be?
So you can expect it.